Today, I feel really good about myself. I'm looking hot, I'm looking fly, ready to party. Yesterday, I went shopping with Tio for some summer clothes for Greece next week. And like, since I've lost weight, like I've lost like 7 kilo now in the last few months. Basically a stone for those English people watching right now. And like, I'm still fat as fuck. I'm still overweight. I'm not obese anymore. And so we went shopping yesterday, and like, I picked out all this shit that I would never have picked out a couple of weeks ago. Because like, usually I only get like baggy, flowy shit, you know? Like no denim, because bitch can't wear denim. Nothing tight, especially around the booty area or the tummy area. That's a no-go. But yesterday I was just like, fuck this, you know? I feel good. I don't fully look good yet, but I feel good. So anyway, I picked out all this stuff, went and tried it on, and I was like, you know what? Yeah, I do look good. And I showed Tio, and he was like, yeah, that looks really nice on you. I was like, so, basically, I bought a bunch of stuff that's like a little tighter than what I usually go for. And like, this dress that I'm wearing right now was the one I was most worried about, because I've not worn a dress like this in years. I thought to myself, like, because I'm going out to meet Julia today in Uppsala. You know, I was super nervous about this dress, but I bought it because I was like, if I end up being a pussy and not wearing it, it's only £7, you know? It's worth it. This morning I was deciding what to wear, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to wear the fucking dress. Because if I don't wear it now, I'm not going to wear it. I need to force myself. Anyway, I put it on, and then just as I was leaving now, I had to go drop off the key with my friend that I dog walk for. And as soon as she opened the door, she was like, oh my god, I love your dress. You look so good in it. And I was really like, ah! So now I feel good. I feel happy. I'm excited for everyone to see me in my slamming dress. I'll try and show you all what it looks like next time I walk past something reflective, like a window. I'm gonna look like an idiot, but hey ho. I bought a sticky bra from Amazon for £2.50. It was actually really good. Now, look, you can have a little sneak peek. Good, because I hate with a strong passion, hate wearing bras. They disgust me and everything about them. They give me really bad fucking sausage rolls from the strap. I don't like wearing them. So usually your gal goes braless, right? But sometimes it's a bit tricky, because you got your little fucking nip-nips smuggling raisins all the time. He was just like, hey, fin cleaning. I was like, oh, thanks. He was like, nice dress. Oh my god. I love today. But anyway, as I was saying, yeah, usually I go braless, but you got your nips. Sometimes you like flash people when you lean forwards. Ah, my bus! Fuck you! I'm pretty sure they go every like 5 minutes. But anyway, yeah, so I'm really excited about the sticky bar, because it's peeking out. I've tried everything else. I've tried like those little sticky things that just cover your nipples. I've tried plasters. This bad boy is well good. It keeps their shape, you know, gives them a little bit of ooh, but you know, lets them be free. Anyway, that's my story. I'm gonna go away to the bus stop now for the next bus. Side note, I love standing at the bus stop next to the highway, because every time a car goes past I get a really nice gust of wind, and it's so cooling. How breezy the side of this dress is. My armpits are so nice and free. I was very wrong when I thought the buses came every 5 minutes. It's been 15 so far. Look at this motherfucker! Yeah! That is so cool! puppies. Look at you. You're so soft. Oh, she won, buddy. Get her. Yeah, tell him. Oh, it's a 4-puppy pile-up! Oh no. Tickle, tickle. You. Ouch! That's my phone. Ouch! Tickle, tickle. Ah! Hello. Oh, you tired? You tired little bean. Tired little bean. Yeah. You ready, puppies? Oh, hello. To each other's faces. There you go. Nom nom on that hair. Romeo, bring this. Bring it. That's it. Come on. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Let's go. He's off. Bad, is it? This is alright, isn't it, Romeo? Yeah. Oh, jump in! Oh, you want your toy? You want your toy? You ready? You ready? No, no. Ready? Get it! Romeo. That was sneaky. Yeah. Come on, you can do it. Oh, shit me. Hello, Romeo. Go on. Feet in. Romeo's helping. 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! You're so cold! No! She hugged me. It was so cold. Alright, my turn to get it now. Oh, you bitch! Mother of dick, it's cold! Romeo, hop in! Hop in, Romeo! How was it? Oh, cold. I can't feel my nipples.
Stay.
Lena. Varsågod! Ja! I'm just gonna shut the... Happy! Happy! Shut the door to you. Yeah!
So happy.
Yeah. You're gonna have a whole week of this. Whoa.